Hi friends, this is Devansh, and if you're facing issue with your volume that it is automatically going up and down, then in this video I am going to tell you how you can fix this issue. So please watch this video completely and try to do each and every methods if you really want to fix it. So let's begin. Firstly, go to the settings and in settings go to update and security. Here we will try to troubleshoot the audio sounds. For that we have to go to troubleshoot, and in troubleshoot we have to go to playing audio. Once you go to the playing audio, click on run the troubleshooter. Once you click on the run the troubleshooter, it will start detecting the problem in that audio. Now at first it will give you the list of devices which is connected to the systems. So wait till it's giving the list of devices. Here you can see the list of devices are come. Select the device which you want to troubleshoot. Here I am selecting the speakers and clicking on next. Once you click on next, it will start detecting the problem. So at first it is giving this turn off the sound effects and enhancements. So it is suggesting that try to do this. So we will select on yes, open the audio enhancements. Now here you can see it is opening this bar, but as you can see this is not my default device, so I am not getting the enhancement option. So I am not selecting this. And later on I'm clicking change the selected audio device to default, because then I will get the enhancement option. So I am clicking on apply the fix. So it will detecting the additional problems, and now finally it is giving me troubleshoot has completed. Audio device isn't set as default was the problem. Like that, if there is any problem in your system, it will give you that problem and you have to troubleshoot it. So this is the method which can be help you to fix the problem. So the next method is we will try to change the control panel settings. For that, go to control panel and open the control panel. In control panel, go to hardware and sound. Here go to the sound. Now in this popover you have to select communications, and there are 4 options here. When Windows detect communication activity, you have to select do nothing for that, because if it is on the second option, reduce the volume of other sounds by 80%. You have to select do nothing and click on OK. So it will not reduce the sound while communications. So this is the first thing. Otherwise, if you're still facing the issue, then you have to go to the sounds and select your default device, which is basically speakers. In my case it's headphone, but in your case it will be speakers. Click on properties and then go to enhancements. In enhancements, click on disable all enhancements, and you have to click on apply to disable this all enhancements. So this basically boosts the low frequency sound which is played by the device. So you have to disable this enhancements and click on apply. And once these 2 settings are done, hopefully this issue with the volume is resolved in your system. So if you are still facing the issue, then you have to go to the services. For that, type services in the search option and click on open. So this will open the services. Here in the services you have to search for the Windows audio. So basically Windows options will be in the down side because it is arranged in alphabetical order. So here search for the Windows audio and you will find it somewhere here, and you have to check that by clicking on the properties. You have to check that it should be automatic and service status should be running. If it is not running, then click on start to run it, and this way you will start the audio services in your system. If it is stopped, then in that case you are not able to hear this sound, or this volume low and up issue will be coming in your system. So this is the third method. So the last method is try to update the driver. For that, go to the device manager and open the device manager. Now once the device manager get open, you have to go to the audio input and output, and then click on speaker, right click on it and click on update drivers, and click on search automatically for the update driver. For my case, already the bass driver is installed, but if you get any install update, try to install it and then check if your error is resolved or not. If it is still not resolved, then go to install device and try to install the device. Click on install and then try to restart the system. Once you restart your system, what will happen? It will again, and on the restarting it will again install the device in your system, and then try to play the audio and check if your error is resolved or not. Hopefully this time it will surely get resolved. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.